Lexi, your ears are all dirty. What happened to them? Peanut butter cup. What you doing, big guy? Xander! Hey, Doze. Jack!
Now you're gonna lay down now? Yeah? Sunbathing.
Charlie girl! You sunbathing? Trying to get your tan on? I don't think it's gonna help. I think you're just gonna get lighter. Uh-oh, Jack. Don't step on her. She might get grumpy. Surprised you're not up there, too. Bernie, what's up? Maladoodle.
She gets curlier when she gets wet.
Yeah. Doze, what are you doing?
Being a good boy.
Go, go. Get up. Go, go. I ain't trying to get you to play anymore. That's it. That's all I'm doing. Oh, Xandra, you're all right. Crying because you can't get to the neighbors? Eric! What's up, dude? You just got here and you're already tuckered out? Jeez. Let me see. Hi, Jack. Yes, I gave you some lovins. I was just trying to give everyone some lovins. Gem's in here snoozing. Snoozing away where it's nice and cool. Doze. You're alright, Doze. Come on. Hi, girl.
Are you seeing something I'm not?
Say Sarah.